Hello my people, I don't come again. It's your Wenge sister AB Media where they bring better story. God go bless una, God go keep una. For everything una they do for me, God go bless una my people. I don't carry a Wenge story where they happen. No, I don't know what is happening in this world. The world is turning an end. I don't know what is happening in this world. You can see what is happening right now. You can see this young boy wey una dey see now. This guy go use im mama, he wan use im mama for ritual, he wan use im mama make money if you know wetin dis guy do, na so he cut dis mama head, cut im mama head from im head he carry dat one go, he come go bury the mama for another place without no head. Hey my people, something dey happen for dis world. I watch dis video, I was crying today. A mother that carry you 9 months, a mother that give you birth, wey carry you 9 months come born you for dis world, you can't get this kind mind. Look at this fine woman, look at this fine woman. This world is turning an end the world is turning an end everybody have to be careful. Don't trust anybody. Look at the mother, look at fine woman, and this woman is like a woman that is struggle hard to put food, the boy and the sister, for her, to put food for table for them, so dem can be seeing food to eat. This guy, this boy just do nonsense woman like this. Look at the woman, very beautiful woman. This boy just cut his mother head and put it, and I don't know why, what is happening in this world. I don't know what is happening in this world. You don't need to trust anybody in this world right now. You don't need to trust anybody right now. Even small pikin, your sister, your auntie, your this one, don't trust anybody. Even sister, don't trust anybody. Look at what this guy do. This guy just finished the mother, a woman that suffer, a woman that stand by you, a woman that put food for table for you, because he want to enter fast lane, because he want to drive the latest car, because he want to drive the latest Benz, because he want to carry woman, because he want to show those babes say you soji. Then come tell you say make you be say na your mama, na so you come use knife come pieces am. Hey Jesus Christ, oh my God, may God have mercy upon us. The things all these young boys they are doing right now, I beg, if you born pikin, I beg, they look the pikins around, they very very careful. If they bring anything they come home safe, they very careful, because the world now don't change. This one no be say na outsider na they do, this one na insider. Person wey dey with you, wey dey stay with you safe, na him be say na him dey do pass now. I beg, make all of us dey very careful. If you look at what this guy do, when you see this video, my people, you will just be angry. You will be, I cry. I don't cry today, tire. I cry so much. I passed a lot of pain because of this guy that finished the mother. Do you know why? Some people their mother is dead. Your mother is alive. You use your hand and cut the woman, because of money. You said you're looking for money. Because of money, you want to belong, you want to know what's up, you want to follow big boys, you want to follow big girls. Is why the innocent woman where they manage himself, very beautiful woman, because of no money. Why can't you find another thing to be doing, my brother? Why can't you find something to be doing? Why can't you be selling, even learn something? Learn something. How you can rush and make that money? After making that money, you are not enjoying that money. So why is the need you make that money? The money, you no see the money now. You don't finish your mama. The money you no come. Now inside prison, now you go there. So where is the need you go that fast rain? But if your mama dey alive, your mother will be praying for you. One day, your destiny helper, it can be doing something, somebody just see you there, pick you up immediately. Your destiny helper will locate you. But you want to enter fast lane, you want to belong, you want to follow, you want to know what's up, you want to drive the latest car, you want to drive the latest jeep, you want to do everything wey all these rich people dey do. Now make them tell you, say make you bring your mama. Look at the fine woman wey you. The woman do bad to give birth to you. The woman do bad to give birth to you. The woman do bad to give birth to you. Eh? Carry you 9 months, 9 good months. Bring in this world. What you used to pay this woman back, to kill this woman, to make this woman to pass a lot of pain, to make this woman to pass a lot of suffer. You just got her like that. Make people know that they get conscience, all these young boys. Remember, if you like, make you rush, go make the money fastly. You can never enjoy it. You can never even enjoy the money. Because it can, that time wey be say dey sweet you, make you enjoy, and at that time they go still carry you. So if you like, go and be doing fast, dey rush. You doing fast, dey rush. You won't go belong. After you belong, the money una no go enjoy. The money no go see. So why is the need you join? Eh? The innocent woman wey dey im own. You can't put this woman, you can't do this woman like this. I beg young boys, una dey careful for the things wey una dey do. Old papas dem, they need dey die. Now una wey be young boys now, the highest people now wey dey die, young boys. Age of 26, 27, 25, 26, 27, 30. Now so they won't enter fast lane. Even 24 follow them. Now so they won't enter fast lane. They won't make that money. The money, no go see the money. The money no go enjoy am. So where is the need there? You're going fast lane to make that money. Look at what a young boy do to his own mother. This guy cut his mother head and put it. Hey, some people have to. This, I don't know where you people conscience dey. You don't have any conscience. And the time you're doing this thing, you don't have any conscience. You get that kind of wicked heart for your own mom. A mom, if this your mom is a bad person, can your mom, you don't know, say your mom for the medicine, say make you no come out for this world. But your mom still carry you 9 months, bring you for this world. You get heart to do the woman like this. My brother, I bet more than they get conscience.